We are going to take up one more problem, how to create this model by using the Fusion software. So to do that, so first we will take the right plane and create these two circles first. So to do that, I'll just go for a sketch, click on the right plane, and now I will draw a circle of any dimension. Then I will give the diameter as 60. Then you come down to this, go to constraint, select on this point onto this line, go to dimension, give the diameter as 60. Similarly, on this case also, I want to take one more circle, take some dimension, and this diameter is again equal to 60. So I will go for constraint, go to equal constraint, select this one, and with reference to this. Then I will go for both horizontal and vertical. I want these two to be vertical. Then give dimension from here to here, it is 120. Okay, enter. Then I will go for finish sketch and go to 3D. And then you go to extrude, select this profile and give the dimension as 70. So take one side, go to symmetric and take the whole distance and give the dimension as 70 here and click on OK. Similarly, I will go for the sketch and I will enable the sketch here. Then go to extrude, select this profile and give symmetric distance again and give for the whole length and give the dimension as 50. Correct? Yes, 50. Yeah. Total distance is 50. Click on new body or you can say you can join this also to the same thing. Okay. Now once you do that, so this portion is over. Now I will go for this portion. To create this, I will just go for a circle. I mean, create this rectangle. I'll just go for a sketch, click on the front plane, and I will go for a project, click on this and say OK. Then I will remove this body and I will create a rectangle of any size first. Okay. Then I want the midpoint of that to be here, which is again the distance is the total overall distance is the width what I want 14. So total 24, 48. So this dimension is 22. 48, 22, 70. Correct. 22 plus 14 plus 14. 28 plus 22, it is 50. Okay. So I will come down to this. I will go for a constraint, select midpoint. Midpoint of this to be on this side. Yes. Then I will go for dimension. Select this entire thing and make it 50. Okay. Then from here, the depth is 45. Go to dimension, select this and give the dimension as 45. Okay. Once you do that, go enable the bodies and go to finish sketch and go to 3D. Now you go for extrude, select this profile and also this profile and give this entire dimension of the diameter is 60. Take uniform. So go to equal, symmetric and give the whole length, take the dimension as 60 and I want to join, don't cut it. So you go for join. So this portion is completed now. Similarly, I want to go for the top plane and create this rectangle and extrude this. I will just go for a sketch, click on this top surface. Now I will go to bodies project and click on this particular body and say OK. Now I will disable bodies. In this, what I want is I want the entire rectangle that is this rectangle which is 15. Okay. I will go for a rectangle from here to here. I will just take one rectangle of any dimension and then give the dimension as 15. So go to dimension from here to here, it is 15. Similarly, on the other side, you take 17.5. Distance from here to here, it is 17.5. So that it will make equal and enable bodies and go to finish sketch and go to extrude. Select this profile and it is till, sorry, this is distance to object on this object and say OK. So now till here, this entire portion we have completed. Now we will come down to this particular area. So for that, I will just go for a sketch. Click on this plane first. Okay, on this surface. Now we will try to create this circle here of any dimension. Okay, I want to constrain this one with reference to this horizontal. Then I want to give the dimension as 90. Go to dimension between this and this. Give the dimension as 90. Okay. And then I want to create a circle of diameter 30. So you just come down to dimension. Select on this. Give the dimension as 30. Now you go for finish sketch and go to 3D. And go for extrude. Select on this profile. And go for symmetric. And then take the whole length. And what is the overall length? 30, 20, it is 50. So distance whole length, you take 50. And then click on new body. Now, I want to go for this rectangle now. Here. Yeah. I want to create this rectangle, which is at a height of 120. I want to create this offset plane. Okay. So to do that, I will just go to the offset plane, enable this, click on this, and take the dimension as 120. Because I need to take that plane there, otherwise it is not possible to create a construction sketch here. So now I will go to the project, click on this work and say OK. Then I will disable bodies now. OK. And in this body, it should be exactly at the center. Yes, yeah. So I'll go for rectangle, select some rectangle here, and I will draw this. OK. Then the overall dimension from here to here it is 30. Go to dimension. From this line to this line, you take 30. Okay. And after that, before you have 30, and here actually it should start from the center. So that means from here it should be 90 to this. Okay. So, but here I want this dimension on the one side. So you have the overall depth is 40. So naturally from here to here it is 5. And also from here to here it is 5. I will go for dimension from this point to this point. From this point to this line, I will take 5. And similarly on this side to this side also it is 5. So then naturally this dimension becomes 40. Yes. Then, okay, this dimension is 15. So if this dimension is 30, we have this particular portion. Is it from the center? Yes. Now I want to give the dimension from here to here it is 50. Then only it will be, yeah, exactly at the center. Just go for a finish sketch and go to 3D and now enable bodies and go to extrude. Select on this and also on this. Go to symmetric. Go to distance for the entire length and give the dimension as 30. Join and say OK. So this is somewhat it is going big. So because actually this diameter should be only 30. No? So naturally, I think there is some dimension error what I have given. So I given this as 30. Yes. Then click on OK now. Now the next thing is I want to go for this sketch and create it onto this. But here again the dimension is 30. Okay. Then I will go for a sketch. Click on this surface. Okay. Then go to extrude. Go to project. Click on this block and say OK. Then go to extrude a rectangle. Create this rectangle of any size. Let it be inside. There is no issues. Then again I will take this is 15 means this is 12.5 and this is 12.5. Okay. So go to dimension. From here to here it is 12.5. Okay. And from here to here it is again it is 12.5. Okay. Then naturally from here to here it should be. Okay. Now we have this and I will go for finish sketch and go to 3D and go to extrude. Select on this and give the distance as minus 30. Don't cut it. It should be joined and say OK. So now this entire portion we have done with it. Now what I want is I want to remove the materials now, which are all say the first thing is what I have created the model is I have created the entire model. Now I want to start cutting it. So to do that, I will first I will go for this sketch and I will cut it here, and then I will go for this sketch and I will cut it here. Okay, I will go for a sketch. Click on this sketch. Click on this surface. I'll go for sketch. Click on this surface. Okay. Then I will draw a rectangle. I will draw a rectangle of any size. Then you give dimension from here to here. The dimension is 14 from this point to this point. Then inside this I want 24, 48, 22. Okay. This dimension is 22. Then from one side you take 14. Dimension from this point to this point is 14. Okay. And now this is also 14. So now I'll go for checking this dimension to this dimension should be 14. Yeah. Then I'll go for a finish sketch and go to 3D and then go to extrude, enable sketch, and you take this and also this one and give the distance is go the distance is through all and go to flip and say OK. Then I want to create a hole now. What is the hole diameter is 34. So I will go for create, go for a hole, click on this surface. The diameter is 34. Okay. And distance is through all. And now I want to make it concentric and say OK. Then I want to create this sketch again on this top surface. Now I will take this rectangle, create one rectangle of any dimension. Then I want this dimension to be 12. So go to dimension between this and this. Give the dimension as 12. Then from here to here is 14. Okay. And similarly, from here to here, it is 14 on this side means this is total distance is how much? The total distance is 70, and 48 means it is 22 here. 22 plus 20, 28 is 20. So this dimension is 22. Okay. This dimension you keep it 22. Okay. No, no. So here it is 14 from here. Yeah. Then 14 from here, 14 from here on this side. Okay. So here the total distance is here given 17.5, 35, 50. So naturally it is 14, 28, 14 on this side and 14 on this side. It is 28 and this is 22. Yes. But now here, sorry, on this side I want. So this is actually this one what I want to prepare now. Yeah, on this side. Sorry. So it is the overall distance is 40, correct? So this dimension is 40. I will delete all these dimensions now. Instead of referring the other one, I'm referring this. Okay. So I'll go for this dimension. It is 12 on this side. Okay. Go to dimension, select between this and this. You give the dimension as 12. Enter. Okay. And then from here, it is 15. And if this is 40, and what is this dimension? I think that is also 15. So here, if you take this is 20. We have given this dimension as 20. Yes. So give the dimension as 20 from here to here. Okay. Then once you do that, then 20 from here. Yes. I want to take it equal now. So from here to here it is 40. 40, 20 means 10. So dimension from here to here it is 10. We give this dimension as 10. Then from here to here it is 10. Yes. So once you have this, go to finish sketch and go to 3D. And now you go for extrude, select on this and you select on this and give the distances through all and go to flip and say OK. Now I want to create this hole here. So to create a hole, I will just go for a hole. What is the diameter of the hole? 10. I will just go to create, go for hole, click on this now and give the dimension as hole diameter is 10. Then I want to give the distances through all. Then I will take concentric and say OK. And similarly, I want to create one more hole of diameter 30. I will go for create, click on hole. OK. Select on this surface and go to diameter is 30. And again, the distance is through all. OK. Click on concentric. Total distance is through all. Go to create, go to hole, click on this surface and give the diameter as 30. And then the distance is through all. Then you click on this side and say OK now. So we have created all the things now. This is how we will be able to create this particular model now. Okay. Then I want to give the appearance and change the color now. We change the color, whatever the color I want, you just click on this and say click on the OK and then save your model. This is how you will be able to create this particular model by using the Fusion software. Thank you.